everybody, Tom with Brite here. We're gonna talk wheels today. Welcome to another edition of Tips and Tricks with Tom. So this nice little Mercedes CLK that we picked up to flip has a nice set of wheels, but it came with another nicer set. A little bit larger, got a staggered offset, but we got some problems. Somebody liked to kiss the curb. And they're a nice set of wheels, but they've got a clear coat on them, which you can see is starting to have some issues. Let me see if I can get you to see that. So that clear coat is starting to peel off just a little bit. And over the years, I've found some ways to take care of that. But I want to try something different on this set. Because I had a Camaro a few years ago, and the Camaro that we built for the SEMA show, we did an opposite type of a lip on it. So we did a polished center on some Budnick wheels, and we did a satin lip. So we're gonna take this here, and we're gonna see if we can take easily and create a satin effect instead of a semi-shiny effect. It's definitely not the best look. So let's try this out. So we've already cleaned these wheels up somewhat, but here's the basic premise. So we've got a maroon colored Scotch-Brite pad here. And this is, believe it or not, the way that I would polish those wheels on that Camaro. When they'd start to get anything, we just take these, one of these Scotch-Brite pads. Either a gray one would be fine if you're just lightly touching it up. But I think this might look good with this white car here. So the first thing I'll start to do is I'll go around the edge with a little bit heavier grit, and wherever I've got some of that grind in mark, I can try and smooth out that wheel. Some of that. Now, when I feel like I get pretty good with that, now I can take this Scotch-Brite pad, kind of work over the areas I did with that 120 a little bit longer, just to kind of get down in there. And then one thing that I found that works pretty good on these is a little bit of brake parts cleaner. Just spray it on and run that around. There you go, guys. It may not be for everybody, but for a quick, simple, really make it look nice and give it a unique style, I don't think it's too bad of a look at all. That satin rim, it's just not something you're gonna see out there every day. So thanks for joining us on Tips and Tricks with Tom. I'm Tom with Brite. Join us next time.